Hi besties. So we just got home from the estate sale. It's literally just in my neighborhood. We were there, my husband and I were there, and we were like looking for stuff. We were actually looking for like containers, like big containers, because I don't know if you I think I haven't told you guys yet, but we're moving. Not sure when yet, but we're moving. I'm just gonna say there, we're moving. So anyways, I got this package from Swissy. They contacted me. This is actually in collaboration with them. Thank you so much, Swissy or Swissy, for sending this over. I received this package yesterday and I'm so excited to open this up so I can finally use their products. So I told them I want this porcelain bowl. I think it's like a, yeah, it is bowl. So let me just open her up so I can show it to you guys. So I'm also gonna leave the link on where you guys can buy their products. They have their official account, and you can also find them at Amazon. So let me open this real quick. Okay, she's real heavy. We have this one right here. Is this replacement, extended warranty papers. Oh my god, these bowls. Okay, it's well packaged, let me tell you that, which is good, because it is scary to buy like plates online, because a lot of times like when they ship it, they will break or end up being broke. So this is very well packaged. Look at that. Okay, so this is their pasta bowls, and this is 7.7 inch. So okay, I'm just gonna leave the link where you can purchase this on my description box below, so you guys can definitely check this out. I choose the white one just because I like the plain white color. I also, don't get me wrong, I love the colorful ones, but right now I need more like white ones, and this is really good for like pasta bowls. I'm actually gonna make some food. I mean, not just only for pasta bowls. I can probably put like some salads here, or like some, you know, some meal, like, you know, like rice or some chicken, and you know, use this as the plate. But yeah, they sent me 6 pasta bowls, which is, like I said, very well packaged. They're not only selling these pasta bowls, there's actually have a lot to offer. They have the butter dish, they have porcelain plates, porcelain teapot, they have some 10-ounce bowl, they have espresso cups, and they have some ramekins, porcelain, and also butter dish. So I'm also gonna leave all of that link, like their official link at Amazon, on my description box below, so you guys can definitely check them out. By the way, this is microwave and dishwasher safe, and it's also lid free and oven safe, so you can definitely, you know, put this in a microwave and also put this in the dishwasher. So thank you so much, Swissy or Swiss, for sending this over. Appreciate you guys. And like I said, I'm gonna put the description, like the link, on my description box below. Okay, moving on. I went to H&M, I would say a week ago, with my friend Clarice. I was there. I was looking for shorts. I know I just got 2 shorts from Deserve Avenue, but I still need, I'm still in the hunt for like a perfect shorts, like everyday short, especially right now, it's summertime. Girl, it's hot outside, so I need some like shorts that are very thin, and like the denim short, it gets so hot as well. Like I have a thick thigh, yeah, girl, I have a thick thigh and I like just tend to sweat. Okay, but anyway, okay, so I got this like shorts, this black short, and I know I just got that Deserve black breezy short, but this is probably more of like everyday, like I'm just in the house type of shorts, like running errand, going to like grocery store type of like shorts. Yeah, so I got these in a size large, and this is $12.99. Originally almost like $25. And I also got another short, which is, this is more like, I think I see myself probably wearing this on like on the beach, or just in the house. So this is their what is this? This is, yeah, another short. This is $12.99, which is $13. And in the size medium. I don't know why this is medium and the other one is large. So this is medium. Its garter is definitely see-through. It's definitely see-through, but I'm glad that there's pockets. And then I got some accessories, which is this clips. They have this cute like clips from H&M, and I am a big fan of claw clips now. I have the big one from Cove Essentials. That one's really good, but I'm also looking for more like accessories, and this one caught my eye because it's like mint green, and this one is like more of like a peachy color, and this is $5.99. And then also my friend Clarice was so nice enough to give me a bunch of Bath and Body Works stuff, which is I'm in love. But thank you so much for, you know, giving this to me. So anyways, let me show you guys what she gave me. She always spoils me with stuff. Okay, so she got me this passion fruit and banana flower must-have hand wash. I always have this like in our bathroom, kitchen, like there's a sink, there's this Bath and Body foaming soap. Always, I freaking love them. The scent is so good. And then this one is the Bahamas passion fruit and banana flower. Oh, okay, it's like almost the same. No, this is Bahamas, this is passion fruit. This is their Ulta Shea body cream. And then she got me another one, which is the shower gel. Love. And then she also got me some, okay, this is the concentrated room spray, which is good because I normally put like I tend to burn some candles in the room and it just smells really good. And this is also good. I think I'm gonna put it somewhere here so I can like spray my my beauty room / office when like I'm done cleaning. That's when I spray or like burn a candle because it just like smells good, and it's like, I don't know, it's very like cozy feeling. Okay. Okay, this is more hand sanitizer, which is really good. You gotta have hand sanitizer, and I love these sizes because it fits with my like mini bags. Gotta have hand sanitizers. And this is the cucumber melon, and this is the black cherry. Cute. And then she got me some spray, which is cucumber melon spray mist. Okay, that smells very fresh. That smells very fresh, especially summertime. Mist is a must. And then she got me some this is their 3 wicked candle, and I am in need of candle. We were actually at the mall like I said last week, and it says online. I really thought that they were having a sale in stores as well, but they were only having sales online because their 3 wicked candle is, I believe, 50% off, or they were like having 70% off. And I was gonna buy more of like they don't have my Paris Cafe. I love that scent. It's just like, it smells like when you go to like a coffee shop or like a bakery or something, like it smells just like that. Like that candle, I was literally looking for that exact same candle because I already burned and used 3 of those, and I need more of those like scent because it just smells so freaking good. But they don't, like the one that we went inside the mall, they don't have it anymore. But I'm gonna probably order online if I can find my coupon, because they always send me like a paper coupon, and I'm pretty sure they're still having on sale right now. So yes, I'm gonna try to find that Paris Cafe scent. If you smell that scent, then you know. So this is the aromatherapy candle. This one smells very fresh as well. Okay, actually I'm burning this one that she gave me. This is the pomegranate and cranberry. I'm almost like halfway on it. This smells good too. Very, very fresh. So I'm just gonna finish this. Once this is done, I'm gonna switch it up with this one right here, because the one that my friend Ashley gave me, I am definitely not burning this, even if it smells really good. It's just good for the eyes, you know. It's just like good for the eyes. It's very aesthetic. Okay, and she also gave me a bunch of popcorn from Kirkland. I saw this at the at BJ's. Yeah, she gave me a bunch of popcorn, which is really good for like when I'm watching a movie. I also have some few clothing pieces that I want to show you guys. This, I ordered this like 2 weeks ago, and I want to show you. This is, I believe, the PLAYSUIT from JADED London. I believe they're from This is made in Turkey. I think they're from UK. So I actually already wore the blue one. I haven't took a picture yet. I haven't took a picture wearing that one. I wore that when I went to my friend's birthday, Risa. I think that's 2-3 weeks ago. And I fell in love with the blue one, so I had to get a green one. And they also have one in, I believe, orange tangerine color, but this is like freaking amazing. Yeah, I freaking love these. And speaking of Jaded London, I also got these accessories, which is, hold on, let me, I got this like shade from Jaded London, and they're very cheap actually. I think this is like $22. I actually have the one with like the orange like lens, but this is the yellow. I feel like the yellow one is more for like summertime. I mean, look at this. I know it's like eating my face, like it's covering all my face, but like, are you kidding me? It's so freaking cute. Even it's not like I don't have that nose, okay? I have my Filipino nose. And but yeah, this is pretty cute. I mean, look at this. It's so freaking cute. For $22, I think. Yeah, for $22, this is pretty cute, very stylish, and it's a summertime piece as well. I think you gotta have you know, like accessories if like summertime. You just gotta have these type of like sunglasses. Pretty cute. Sorry besties, I got more clothing to show you. So I also got these, like I said, I mentioned earlier today. So this is the blue one that I ordered way too big, but like I said, it fits really good. It's just a little bit baggy, and I like this one if it's like how do you call it, like almost like glove feeling type of clothing. But yeah, this is more a little like baggy, but it still feels cute. I mean, it's good, and it's also good when you're like when you feel like you don't have nothing to wear. I think this type of clothing is really a good choice. Like you just don't know what to like pair your top or like your bottom. This kind of like clothes are so good. Because also dresses, I really love dresses. It's like when I feel like I have nothing to wear, and I literally just bought like hundreds of clothes, and I feel like I still have nothing to wear. I don't know if you guys can relate to this. I will go to like, I'll like just choose a dress and just call it a day. But yeah, this is also a good option as well, which is really cute. I freaking love this color. Like this is my summer, I would say like my summer staple. Like these colors are just like screaming like summertime, okay? Screaming summer freaking time. This is honestly really cute. And if you are interested on these PLAYSUIT, I will also leave them on my description box below for y'all, because you know, I don't gatekeep here, okay? If you're interested and you want that like clothing, and we can be twinsies together, don't worry, I got you, because I will put them in my description box below. Okay, so before I forgot, I also got some clothing actually that I want to show you guys from ARITZIA. I ordered this when they were having sale. I just got like the basic ones. So it's okay. If you know me by now, like I mentioned like 100 times in this freaking video, I am looking for a freaking short, and they have this like shorts on sale. Speaking of shorts, I actually got the same one as the breezy short that I got from Deserve Avenue, like blue and white stripe. And I also got that from ARITZIA when we were in New York. And this one as well, this is from Sunday's, yeah, Sunday's Best. Short is sky blue. I feel like blue is my blue and sky blue or like green is like my color, especially summer. Also yellow, I freaking love yellow as well. So I got these shorts, and I think they were like having 50% off for these shorts. Like I said, I'm gonna leave them in the description box below if you're interested. And I got this like shirt. I already have this in gray, and I fell in love with the gray one. It's a basic staple piece, like you have to have a basic t-shirt. So I got this on the color white, because this is very thick. This is from Sunday's Best as well. I have like a lot of white t-shirts, but they're like very they're very thin and a little bit see-through. This one is very thick, and it's a good quality as well. So I got this as well, and they were having sales, so I'm like, you know what, let me just get them while they're on sale. I just removed the tag from this, but I got this as well. It's green, it's so cute, and it's also perfect for summertime. Like I said, short is a must, especially summertime. And This is from Sunday's Best as well. Super freaking cute. Okay, last but not the least, this has been sitting in my closet as well because I think I went to Target when I was like looking for Reese's birthday gift. So I also went shopping a little bit. So this is from Target. Let me just show you guys before I start cleaning the shit out of my room. Okay, so I got lotion. I got this like hemp sweet lotion. Speaking of lotion, I got another, I don't know why, I really don't know why, I got another lotion from Nivea. Actually, it's a bigger bottle because I love the Nivea, and also heard a lot of good stuff about this this scent, especially from Hemp's. I haven't purchased, this is like my first time using and buying stuff from this brand. So this is sweet pineapple and honey melon. So we'll see if this is, if it smells really good, or if it's like, you know, like worth the hype. And I got more sunscreen from this brand, La Roche-Posay. This one right here, I already heard about this brand, and I got their like spraying mist that is really good. This is the one with 60 sunscreen phase. This is ultralight sunscreen fluid, and this is the fast absorbing matte finish, which is really good because I have like normal to combination skin, so like oily almost. So this is what they look like. This is a bit expensive. I am into like sunscreen nowadays because your girl is trying to like save her face and try to protect her, you know, not just for face, actually for body as well. You gotta wear your sunscreens, besties. Okay, if you're not wearing sunscreen and you're out and it's hot outside, I will hunt you in your sleep. Okay, I will hunt you in your sleep. Okay, last here we got some accessories going on. Ooh, I got more clips here. This is small ones, like jaw clips. This is like a little clip from, yeah, this is 2-piece. I got this at Target. And also this like style and clip. I got these particularly when I'm doing like a blowout, like a 90s blowout style, when I got that like big rollers. Since I already this hair is like, I would say 5 days old. I haven't washed this hair, but it's still, every time it's almost like 5 days old, I style my hair like in a bun because I just don't like them down, especially it's also hot. It just gets so freaking hot, and I don't like them like my hair down. And now it's time for me to get this shit done and clean the room because it's driving me nuts, and I'm also hungry. So anyways, let me just talk to you besties in like a couple minutes. Bye. Yeah, so we're gonna wash our car. I think I'm gonna vacuum the inside, especially my car inside is fucking dusty. So before that, I want to show you guys what I also got from Target. I have so much stuff from Target that I just forgot about them. So these are these like Halsey bralette, I think that's what you call them, bralette. Yeah, so these are from the brand Halsey, and they're like, I have been loving this brand, especially at Target, because I have their sleeping wear. I have this like very cute short, and I wear them like just around the house because they're very kind of like a booty short, almost like you can literally see my ass. But anyways, I got these Halsey bralette in the size, what is this, small one right here, and this is only $7. This honestly reminds me of like ARITZIA or like Zara type of like bralette. They have these at like Zara or ARITZIA. So this is what they look like, and I think you can just like also reverse them. Like you can wear as like a v-neck or just like a little scoop moment. And this is like green, I think. The color of this is like, wait, color of this one is oregano, like dark green color, and it's ribbed, and it's so freaking cute. I got the small one just because I feel like the small one, it's like it will like lift my babies up, and that's what I got. And I also got this in the color orange, I think, or yeah, orange apricot. And this is also size, what is this, size small. So freaking cute.